Hey guys, welcome to TechnoSalad. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to clear your recently played list on Spotify. So let's get started. You can clear recently played lists using Windows or Mac desktop app. Unfortunately, it is not possible to clear your recently played list using the mobile app or Spotify web player. But once you clear the entries using desktop app, the entries will also get removed from the linked app including on the mobile devices. First, open Spotify app on your PC or Mac. In the left-hand menu, click on Recently Played option. Here you will see a list of your previously played songs, albums, podcasts and artists. From that list, click the three-dot menu icon on any of the song or album. In the options menu that appears, click the Remove from Recently Played option. Once this option is clicked, the item will disappear from the recently played list. This will also remove the item from the other Spotify devices linked to your account, including the mobile devices. There is no way to clear the entire recently played list at once, so you need to repeat these steps to erase each entry. So that was the short tutorial on how to clear recently played list on Spotify. If you find the video helpful, then please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.